Hi, so this is the unboxing of the car door lock covers that I purchased from Lazada. It's just 390 pesos, so let's open the box and check. Okay, so contents: 1, 2, 3, 4 door locks. Let's open the bag foam. So ito po yung car door lock. Now it's silver. This is for my Mitsubishi Lancer 2011 GTA. Ito yung front niya. Okay, so you have the diamond logo of the Mitsubishi. Okay, yan po. Yan, sorry kung hindi nakikita. And at the back, you have 3M tapes, 4 of them. So, ang gagawin lang dito ay didikit lang dun sa door lock. Okay, so this is the first door lock. Okay, and unwrap the second door lock. So pare-pareho lang sila, right? The third door lock cover. Okay. And lastly, this is the fourth door lock cover. Okay, now next video I'll show you how to install these door lock covers. And ito na lang po. Okay, this is how we end the video for now. Next time I'll put these door lock covers dun sa kotse. Bye, peace out.